Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling cheats in your Bedrock world. This gives you immediate command access. Once done, open chat and type the effect command to grant night vision for a very long duration. Make sure to use the exact syntax. /effect give it s night vision 1,000,000 0 true so particles are hidden. If you want to test first, use a shorter time. This first step gives you an instant result while you prepare a permanent setup. Now make that effect permanent by automating it. Give yourself a command block, place a repeating command block, and set it to always active so it runs continuously. Enter the command, /effect give at a night vision 10 true, which refreshes night vision every second for all players. The 1 second duration prevents gaps. You do this because Bedrock limits max persistent durations, so the refresh loop effectively creates permanent night vision without manual reapplication. Finish by testing. Relog or have another player join to confirm the effect persists. Make sure the command block sits in a loaded chunk. Use a chunk loader or place it near your spawn so it stays active. If the effect stops, double-check that cheats remain enabled, the block is repeating and always active, and your command syntax is exact. One key troubleshooting tip. If players lose the effect when far away, move the block into a chunk loader, or use a command that targets it across the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.